Warming up before your exercise is really important. Gets your body ready, helps you avoid getting hurt, and makes your workout better. When you warm up, your muscles get warmer and stretchier, and more blood flows to them. This also helps your joints move more easily. Warming up slowly gets your heart going and keep you focused. Doing easy exercises, stretches, and movements like what you'll do in your workout can keep you from getting hurt and make you stronger. The bird dog elbow to knee exercise variation increases core engagement and stability by requiring you to bring your elbow to your knee under your body, challenging your balance and coordination. Alternating bird dog exercise enhances core stability, balance, and coordination by engaging multiple muscle groups as you extend one arm and the opposite leg simultaneously. This exercise strengthens the core, improves spinal alignment, and promotes better body awareness. The modified bird dog exercise enhances core stability and coordination while minimizing stress on the lower back, making it an accessible option for beginners or those with limitations. The hand to opposite knee dead bug exercise strengthens your core by improving stability and coordination between your limbs. This exercise enhances core strength, which is essential for maintaining good posture, preventing lower back pain, and improving balance. The contralateral dead bug exercise enhances core stability and coordination by requiring you to move the opposite arm and leg simultaneously while maintaining a stable core. This exercise improves core strength, promotes better posture, and reinforces the natural cross-body movement pattern essential for everyday activities. The FC lateral dead bug exercise enhances core stability and balance by requiring you to move the arm and leg on the same side of your body, increasing the challenge to your core muscles. This variation promotes greater core strength and body control, which can improve performance in sports and everyday activities. Cooling down after your exercise is really good for your body. It helps your heart go back to its normal speed slowly and keeps you from feeling dizzy. Cooling down also helps your muscles feel better by getting rid of stuff that can make them sore. Doing easy exercises and stretches after your workout makes your body more flexible and relaxed. Taking a few minutes to cool down helps your body recover and makes your exercise routine even better.